Hey everybody, Ed here from Wanderlust. This month we are very excited to tell you about one of our most favorite property groups up in East Africa. On the Northern Circuit in the Serengeti, you'll find Namali Africa, with their three beautiful and intimate safari lodges all dotted along the Northern Circuit. These guys have really made an art of elevating all your senses as they're included in every little part of the service delivery. It's also owner run, and you can see that in the details. So enjoy the next few minutes with us. Let's tell you more about it. If you want to know even more, contact us on sales@wanderlustbdc.com. We'd love to tell you more. So, as I said, this is a one-time recording, so enjoy the ride with us. So Namali Africa has got three beautiful properties, uniquely situated all along the Northern Circuit to take great advantage of wherever the migration is at that time, or even what the season is offering you. So right up in the north, you'll see there's Namali Mara. That's where you want to be when all the herds cross the mighty Mara River. Then we've got Namali Serengeti, which is in the central part of Serenera, a little bit more to the western side in Makoma Hills area. So that's also a little bit more out of the hustle and bustle. And then lastly, it's also Namali Tarangire, which is bordering Tarangire National Park in the wildlife management area. That gives us the freedom that we can do night game drives and walking and everything there. But first of all, let's quickly have a look at the vehicles. We upgraded them in last year, so you can book both on full board or game package. If you book on game package, these are the vehicles that we're going to be taking you around with. Leather trim seats with fridges in them, upgraded suspension and all the other little trimmings. And of course, sundowners, meals in the bush, that all comes standard with us. If you're on a game package, then very quickly just going to have a look at each one of the properties. Namali, Tarangire, stunning property, great start to your itinerary. Remember that all Namali properties are between 8 and 12 rooms in each property, so nice and small. A big advantage here is that you've got the underground hide that's right in front of you. So imagine you've been dreaming of Africa all your life and you arrive here and it's your first night and you're sitting and taking photos of elephants and lions right in front of you in their natural environment. Absolutely stunning. Then next what we're going to do is we're going to head up to Namali Mara. This property is, like I say, 40 minutes away from the crossings. There's beautiful glass railings out in the front of you, nestled in the granite koppie. Absolutely stunning property. And come and sit here in the evening, come and have a glass of wine, see how the thunder rolls out over the savannah. These bedrooms punches well above their weight. Beautiful big glass, hand hammered coppered baths, double showers. I mean, everything that you can look at for in a room. So even swinging day beds outside. Two of our rooms also got its own private plunge pools, but then we of course got this amazing pool that's up on the hill there. And then lastly, very quickly, at Namali Serengeti, nestled in those Makoma Hills, we rebuilt about 3 years ago. So a beautiful thing here is that you don't have any lights in front of you in the evening, so it really feels like your own little bit of the Serengeti. You also a huge big bathroom on the back end there. And like we all do, if you get tired of taking a bath, you can always go and lie on the couch a little bit and then get back into the bath. I'm sure you do that at home as well.